This next round of snow that arrives late tomorrow is going to be a fairly low impact storm because of most of the snow falls during the overnight hours tomorrow night. Here's your snowfall arrival times. You can see in New Hampshire before 6 o'clock, but once you approach the Maine border, it's between 6 and 8 p.m. We'll see that snowfall breaking out across much of southern and western Maine after 8 p.m. for down east areas and Bangor as well. And before this storm, back when we had our big snowfall in late January, we were above average in terms of snowfall, but now that we move forward in time a little bit, we're back to about 2 inches shy of average in the Portland area. We've got a good snowpack going with over 6 inches of snow across much of the state and over a foot places like Lewiston, the Lakes region, and up into the mountains. And we're going to add to that about 3 to 8 inches with this next storm. Again, most of this falls overnight tomorrow night, but there'll be some snow showers to contend with on Wednesday as well. And there's going to be a lot of melting and refreezing in the next 10 days. Notice no big swings in temperature in either direction, but temperatures coming in close to average or slightly above here going forward.